In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new client in MindBody. Let's get started by logging into your MindBody business dashboard. First, open your web browser and head over to business.mindbodyonline.com. Once you're there, use your staff credentials to log in. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, navigate to the top menu bar. Next, click on the Clients tab in the main menu. Once you've done that, you'll want to select Add New Client. This will open up a blank client profile form, which is ready for you to fill out with all the necessary client information. Now, it's time to enter the client's details. Start with the basic information. You'll need to input the client's first and last name. Following that, add their email address, which will be crucial for booking confirmations and receipts, and a phone number for SMS notifications. You can also add optional details, like gender and date of birth, which may be helpful for personalizing their experience. There's also an optional address section where you can enter the client's street, city, state, and postal code. This is especially useful if your studio sends out invoices or physical packages to clients. Here's a little tip for you. The email field is critical because clients will use it to sign in to your studio's booking system and receive important updates. If your studio offers recurring payments or memberships, consider adding the client's payment details next. This is optional, but could be very convenient if you're using recurring billing. Simply scroll to the billing information section and securely enter their credit card or bank details. Remember only to do this with the client's consent, and consider enabling autopay for memberships to ensure payments renew automatically without hassle. After entering the client's information, it's time to assign memberships, passes, or packages. Once the client profile is complete, click on their profile and select Add. Choose from options such as membership, service, or package, and then decide on a pricing option like a 10-class pack or monthly unlimited. Don't forget to set the start and expiration dates for these services. With that set up, they can begin booking sessions right away. To help them get started, you can schedule or book their first class. Navigate to Schedule and then to Classes. Choose the appropriate class or service for your client, click Add Client, search for their name, and confirm their booking by sending a confirmation email. Don't forget to personalize the client's profile by adding tags or notes on perhaps they prefer morning sessions or are a first-timer. Adding this kind of information will help tailor your services and marketing efforts later on. Finally, set up notifications and reminders by going to Settings and Notifications, then enable booking confirmations, appointment reminders, and waitlist alerts to keep your clients informed at all times. Make sure to save your settings. Now you can track the client's activities by going to their profile overview page where you'll see their check-ins, attendance, purchase history, membership status, and communication history. And just like that, your new client is all set up in MindBody.